Attention, WhatsApp users. A new feature is finally coming to WhatsApp, and many people have been waiting for it for a long time. Users will soon be able to log out of their accounts directly from the app settings. To do this, simply go to the account settings, and you will see a new Logout option at the bottom. This is a big change because, right now, WhatsApp does not give users a simple way to log out like other apps do. Right now, the only option available was to delete your account. If someone wants to stop using their account for some time, they usually have to uninstall the app from their phone and install it again later. Some users even end up deleting their account by mistake because there is no proper logout option available. But with this new update, users will finally be able to log out easily by simply tapping the new Logout option. Before logging out, WhatsApp could also show some helpful options for users to review. For example, the app may remind users to back up their chats so they do not lose important messages. It may also suggest freeing up storage space or adding another account instead of logging out completely. After reviewing it, just tap on the Logout and then tap Logout again to confirm the action. After that, the WhatsApp account will be signed out from the device. This feature could help users who use multiple accounts or want to take a short break from WhatsApp without deleting the app.